Hey there, welcome back to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering some of the top questions about the services we offer and how they can help your brand grow smarter and faster. Let's get into it. What is Google Ads and how can it benefit my business? Google Ads is a powerful online advertising tool. It lets your business show up in Google search results and across websites your customers visit every day. The best part? It targets people who are already searching for what you offer, helping you get more visibility, more clicks, and more sales. What's the difference between Google Ads and Meta Ads? Great question. Google Ads focuses on search results and websites across the internet. Meta Ads, which include Facebook and Instagram, focus on social networks. Both are amazing for reaching your audience, but they work differently. Google connects with people actively searching. Meta engages people where they scroll, socialize, and share. What are TikTok ads and how can they help my brand? TikTok ads are all about reaching the next generation of consumers. With short, creative videos, you can build awareness, drive engagement, and connect with an audience that loves fun, fast, and fresh content. If your brand wants to stay current, this is where you show up. Why is it important to have an effective landing page? Because clicks alone don't drive results, conversions do. A great landing page turns interest into action. It gives people the info they need, a clear call to action, and a smooth experience fast. That's what turns visitors into leads, and leads into customers. Want to learn more? Check out our services on the website or watch the other videos in this playlist. And if you're ready to launch your next campaign, we're just one message away. Thanks for being here, and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.